Real estate people, you just got the keys to an unreal apartment in New York and you want to share it to all of your groups in WhatsApp and Facebook. I know you have to do one at a time, or at the most, WhatsApp will let you share to 5 in one go. But this video is going to show you that you don't have to do this manually anymore. So let's say you have a post like this luxury waterfront oasis for $1 million. Now you can click on share with 5 plus. This button is going to let you share with more than 5 groups in one go. So if I show you, when you click on share with 5 plus, you see this window here, and then you can select the real estate that you want, groups that you want to share with. So for example, I want to share with all of these groups, or better yet, if I want, I can actually create a preset by clicking this button here and selecting the real estate groups all in one go. So if I click this now, it's going to literally select 12 groups just like that. Then I can just share into those groups just with one click. So I never actually have to select the groups that I want to share in. I can just save selection as a preset just by doing it once, and this is one I made earlier. Now I'm going to click share to 12 locations, and what you're about to see is freaking magic. We're about to share to all of these 12 groups this brand new apartment that I just got the keys to, and now it's going to literally share into all those groups, even if it's more than 5. Because as you know, WhatsApp only lets you share to 5, and it requires you to find the groups and try and remember which ones you posted in, and you're always worried that you're not going to share twice into the same group. Trust me, I know how you feel. Don't worry, this Chrome extension is going to help you. Of course, it has to be on a computer. You can't do this on your phone. But once you add this to your computer, you can immediately start sharing this content into all of the groups in one single click, which is unreal. It remembers the groups you want to share in, which is unbelievable. As you can see, after the first batch, it takes a random amount of time and waits between each batch of 5 because it doesn't want your account to get banned. We don't want to look like spammy robots. We want to share our content into all of our WhatsApp groups without spamming the internet and without getting our account flagged. So that's why this has a delay of about 30 seconds between each group, each 5. And it's basically doing the work that you would have to do manually, keeping your brain just looking for the next deal. So as you can see, it's already posted to 10 groups, and there was a total of 12 groups, and that's going to be doing. In the meantime, let's go to Facebook and do the exact same thing. Watch this. I'm going to go into Facebook. And over here, I have the same listing, which I've already posted. I want to show you what you can do. The same thing on Facebook. I click on share, group, and as you can see, if you don't have this Chrome extension, it's actually a different Chrome extension. It basically allows you to select more than one group. So you see, this is the button that you won't see unless you add this extension. You can literally select the groups you want to post in, just like that, one by one, or you can just select them all if you want to. Select all, just like that. But also it has the same functionality where you can save the groups into a preset with this button over here, and then I can choose the real estate group that I want to apply. So if I do NYC, there's only 2 groups in here, apply preset, and it's going to select the 2 groups that I want to post in without me having to look for them and search for them. It could be even 100 groups, 100 real estate groups, and this is going to help you find and select the correct group. So as you can see, it's time to share to selected groups, and then you can put post into here, or you can apply a post template. You can write like, guys, check out this offer, and then you can share now and watch on Facebook as well how it shares to both groups. Now these 2 Chrome extensions, one for WhatsApp and one for Facebook, is going to literally do your sharing for you. So it's going to bypass the 5 forward limit on WhatsApp, and it's going to bypass the 1 share limit on Facebook. So it's going to literally help you just do your sharing. So as you can see, it's done 1 group, and it's got a delay, of course, to protect your account. And remember, the point of these 2 Chrome extensions is to do your work and save you time. It's not meant to be a spammy. The reason why this works so well is because it's literally mimicking human behavior. It's clicking the buttons just like a human would, and then it's posting. So now it's going to share to another group, and then I'll show you each website, and you can add these 2 to Chrome. So we had an issue. Perhaps one of the groups is no longer real or is closed down. So it only shared to 1 out of 2. But if the group is still current, then it will share in both groups. And as you can see, 5 plus for WhatsApp allows you to bulk share to more than 5, up to 1 million. But I don't recommend overdoing it. We don't want to appear as spammers. And multiple group share assistant, that's the one for Facebook. Both links in the description below. Add it to Chrome, and then you can straight away start sharing to more than 5 in WhatsApp and unlimited in Facebook. That way you can get your properties seen by more people without doing all that clicking. You know what I mean. All right, real estate people, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.